Want to move MS Outlook data to many different email clients? Introducing GainTools PST Converter Tool. Advanced solution to migrate Outlook PST files into different file formats. Convert Outlook PST files into EML, MSG, MBOX, EMLX, and VCF formats. You can convert encrypted, heavy, and password-protected PST files. Users can export PST contacts to VCF files safely. It performs recovery of PST data from trash and unlocks PST. It exports all selected folders or completes PST files simply. It comes with a preview option to view or check converting emails. Supported and works on all Windows version, 32-bit and 64-bit. It supports multiple non-English languages including Korean, Japanese, Chinese, etc. For any query, contact us.